Hello friends, today video is about if pressure is part of life, how do we live stress free and get successful? If you understand this deeply, it is going to have huge impact in your life. So, are you ready? Welcome. There are two ways of life. One, stressful state. Two, beautiful state. Generally, stress refers to tension, but anger, fear, frustration, loneliness, hurt, confusion are refers to a stressful state. Beautiful state is a state of connection with present. It is a state of love, compassion, joy, simplicity and brilliance of mind. So the most important question is from which state we want to live our life, from which state we want to fulfill our every desires and emotions. In beautiful state, we understand problem, we solve problem, and we experience the beauty of uncluttered mind and its simplicity. In a stressful state, our mind creates problem and paralyzed with it. Our thinking becomes incredibly stupid and complicated. In beautiful state, we are neither haunted by past nor scared of future. We are connected to present. In stressful state, we hurt the very people we love. In beautiful state, we contribute to well-being of others. So, when life has so much pressure and challenges, how do we live a stress-free life? First, try to escape stress with a temporary dopamine high, but then we are left emotionally feeling empty and dry. Second, we try to convert inconvenient stories into more convenient ones. The problem is, this path leads us to a long term stress. What kept suffering alive for days, months, and years after the stressful event is over? It is self centric obsessive thinking. It is the preoccupation with me, and only me. It is this preoccupation that separates us from others. We are preoccupied with injustice happened to us. We are preoccupied with opportunities that did not come our way. We are preoccupied with the love that was withheld from us. This thought is inconvenient to us. But then, if we can see emotional suffering in the light of this insight, we are liberated. This truth can set us free. We are awakened to sense of power and freedom. We know the way now. Let's do it. It works. Meditation is a way of returning to a beautiful state. It is about being human. Let's do a tiny experiment. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale, deep and slow. With every exhale, raise your lips to a beautiful, gentle smile. Did you observe? With a little observation, with a little focus to our breath and gentle smile, we are more present. The power lies within us. So friends, I wish from bottom of my heart that you live your life from a beautiful state. Thank you.